Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Tuesday, November 7th, 2023. It is 1:48 and 46 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, DNA and brain tumors. So let's jump to it here. DNA organization influences the growth of deadly brain tumors in response to neuronal signals. Date October 31st. 2023. Source: O'Mell University. A pioneering study has unveiled that the 3D organization of DNA can influence the progression of an aggressive brain tumor known as glioblastoma. Having identified the factors that glioblastoma uses to respond to neurons by growing and spreading, this discovery paves the way for further research into new treatments for brain tumors. We have now identified the most important factors behind how the tumors respond to nerve cells, thus becoming more dangerous. These findings offer hope in our long-term battle against a difficult-to-treat cancer for which the prognosis has not improved in decades. As glioblastoma is the most fatal type of brain tumor among adults, and there is currently no curative treatment, glioblastoma patients typically face a survival of roughly 1 year post-diagnosis, even following current treatment regimes, which include surgery, radiotherapy, and chemotherapy. A mere 4% of patients are still alive 5 years after diagnosis. One possible way to understand and tackle this form of cancer is through DNA. It is already known that changes, mutations, and parts of DNA that do not contain genes can increase the risk of cancer and affect how genes function. And this is because DNA contains so-called enhancers, switches, that ensure that the right genes are turned on in the right cells at the right time. A tight control of genes is crucial. If there are errors in these switches or abnormalities on how they contact the genes, changes in gene expression occur, which can eventually lead to cancer. A further step forward was taken when researchers discovered synaptic connections between nerve cells and brain tumors. Nerve cells can send electrical signals to brain tumor cells that make the tumor grow and spread. And this recent study by researchers highlights that alterations in DNA structure and enhancers, which in turn affect how genes are expressed, are crucial for the communication between neurons and tumor cells. It offers insight into how glioblastoma cells become more dangerous in response to the signals from the nerve cells, using cells from glioblastoma patients and advanced techniques to analyze DNA structure and epigenetics. The researchers identified the key players central to this neuron to tumor communication, named SMAD3 and PITX1. As these two proteins bind to and control the DNA switches that regulate gene expression, in experiments on both cell cultures and mice, it was possible to see how SMAD3 inhibition, together with the signals from the nerve cells, potentiates the tumor's ability to grow and spread. They are optimistic that their discovery can guide efforts to attack glioblastoma by controlling how nerve cells and brain tumors interact. This would enable the development of new treatment strategies targeting this critical communication, which can hopefully improve the prognosis of glioblastoma patients. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, Pathophysiology, and leader of research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.